Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. This is day 19 of 30 Days of Resin, and I thought I'd make a cute little pair of leaf earrings, and I'm going to use some colorant in green, mixing bowl, mixing utensil, of course the mold, and our UV resin. I have 6mm jump rings. May need to use the 8mm, I'm not sure yet, and fishhook earrings, and I have these adorable little ladybugs, and I think these will make a cute little accent piece. Okay, so first we're going to choose one of the leaves. I was going to choose this one, but I'm not really sure. And this one's kind of nice too. Maybe even this one. This would make really cute earrings. I think this one. This one should be fine for the earrings. So we're going to need to make two. So you're definitely going to need enough to make 2 pairs of earrings. I may be mixing up a little bit much, but we shall see. 2, 4 drops of the colorant, and then I'll mix that up really good. Now this would be a great project for a beginner, and that's just because the simplicity of it. Now we can make it you know, a little more by coloring it different colors, using markers, all of that, but we're just going to keep it simple for this project because our main accent on it will be the little ladybug. So I got my hot air gun. Sorry for the noise. I just wanted to make sure there's no bubbles. I did see this little piece of something up on there, and I can't get it off my finger. Jeez. Okay, it's gonna be one of those days, I guess. And we'll just pour it in here and then let it flow to all the areas. You may need a little more. And then you can always help it along by just lifting it slightly. Don't lift it too much because then it'll just overflow and you don't want that. Just checking again for bubbles. And then I'm going to cure this for 180 seconds and turn it over and cure it for 180 seconds. Alright, now that that's cured, we can remove it from the mold. It's a little bit warm. And then we'll just place it right there. And then we will make the second one. Now we will need a rotary tool for this because we will have to drill a hole. All right, let's get rid of those bubbles. Oop. Okay. And then again, 180 seconds, and then turn it over for another 180 seconds. All right, now the second one's ready to take out of the mold. Okay, next, I think these are going to make great looking earrings. You're going to need a couple of the ladybugs, and you can just place it on there, see where you want it. I already kind of know. I just want them over here, so I'm just going to put a dab of resin right there. Same with this one. I want them both in the same spots. Might be running out of resin. And then I'm just going to place him right on top. Same with him. Boop. I want them to basically be looking the same way. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds and then turn it over and cure the other side for 60 seconds. Alright, so once they're cured, make sure you cure them on both sides though, so that the ladybugs stick. You can also use E6000 to put them on here. That would be fine. So next step would be to drill the hole. Now, I think I would like them hanging kind of like this way. So I'm going to drill through this side. Don't drill through the stem or try to drill through the stem. You're just going to crack it off. So I have this rotary tool and a very fine drill bit. And I'm setting it on a low speed, and I'm just going to drill far enough away from the edge, but close enough so I could put the jump ring through. Okay, so I want to make sure it's in the same spot. Okay. Just shut that off. You can use a baby wipe to wipe that off. And then just clean up your mess with the baby wipe. And then get your pliers out and your 2 jump rings. They're 6mm, and I have 2 fishhook earrings. So you open them to the side, place it through the hole, and then have your earring facing towards the back, and close up your jump ring. Make sure those ends meet. And then do the same for this one. I think these are so cute. I think these would be great for springtime, or even now, but these would be great for springtime. So this is the end of day 19 of 30 Days of Resin. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell for notifications of upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to all the supplies I used today. And you'll also find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.